Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to turn off dark mode on Gmail, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn off dark mode on Gmail, first open up your Gmail app on your phone. And after opening your Gmail app, guys, on this interface at the top left corner of the screen, you can see there's a three-lined icon available for us. Tap on the three-lined icon at the top left corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you will be required to scroll down to the bottom of the list on this panel. So let's scroll down. And you can see the settings option available for us over here at the bottom of the list. Just tap up help and feedback, tap on settings, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the general settings option available for us at the top of the screen or the top of the list. Tap on general settings, and over here you can see the theme option available for us at the top of the list. Tap on theme, and over here when this pop-up box appears, in order to turn off or disable the dark mode on Gmail, tap on the light mode, or if your system's default theme is also on light, you can tap on the system default. But in order to turn off the dark mode on Gmail, make sure that it is selected on light. By this way, guys, dark mode on Gmail will be turned off. And guys, this is how to turn off dark mode on Gmail. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.